Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the power key on HP Pavilion 15. So if the power key, which is here, doesn't do anything as you click on it, in my case it puts the laptop to sleep or turns it on again. If it doesn't do anything, then you need to go to the settings. So I'm gonna quickly unlock it. Then let's go to the settings. So here, settings, and now let's go to the system. Now find power and battery. Now go to the it'll be, I think, yes, lid and power button controls, and then you can select what does power button do and what does closing the lid do, either plugged in or on battery. So you can have different options. I'm gonna set it for when plugged in because I am currently plugged in. So just to show you, pressing the button, if it's set to do nothing, then it'll do nothing. You can also set it to sleep, hibernate, shut down, or display off. So I'm gonna just set it to display off, and now as I press on this button, it just turns off the display, and now it turns it on again. So these are the options. You can also change what the lid will make to your PC. So I suggest setting it to sleep. As you can see, this is how it works. If it still doesn't work, then to shut down your laptop, you just need to press and hold on the power key to first shut it down, but I suggest doing it from the start menu. So go to the start menu, then to the power button here, and click on shut down. So only press and hold on the power key if this method through start menu doesn't work. So this is how you fix the power key, and if your power key doesn't work as you want to turn on your laptop, that may be because it's discharged. So if it's discharged, you just need to plug it in and it'll work. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.